Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to add hashtags at the top of your YouTube videos. Really easy and simple to do. You're just going to need to have the YouTube Studio app on your iPhone in order to start to be able to do this. So just to make sure you go download that really quickly and log into it. Once you have that done, just open up the Studio application to your Studio page. And you're going to go on to the three lines in the top left corner. And then go over to one of your videos. And all you need to do is just click on one of your videos. So I'll just click on this one right here. And just click on edit, so the pencil in the top right corner. Just click on that. And then all you want to do is go down to your description. And you're going to click on the description. And just at the bottom of the description, you want to make a couple lines. And then all you're going to do is make a hashtag that you want to put. It just has to be relevant to your video. So I'm just going to put hashtag Amazon for this video. Amazon free trial. Just like that. And then once you're done putting your hashtags, you can put up to 15. And also another tip, just make sure you don't put any spaces between the words. They all have to be together like a normal hashtag does. But yeah, so you can do up to 15 of those. And once you're done that, you can just click on save in the top right corner. And it'll just save the changes. And then if we head over to YouTube and watch on this video, I'll show you guys that it has now added the hashtags to the top of the video. So we'll just head over to my page really quick here. And this video right here. And as you can see, just above the title, it added the Amazon free trial hashtag to the top there. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I did, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.